Hey there, folks. If you're thinking about closing your Apple Card account, you're in the right place. Maybe you're simplifying your finances, switching to a new card, or just reevaluating your options. Whatever the reason, I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's straightforward, but always double check to avoid any surprises. First things first, before you dive in, make sure your account is all squared away. That means paying off any outstanding balance and resolving any disputes or holds. Apple won't let you close the account if there's money owed, so head to the Wallet app on your iPhone and check your statement. Once that's done, open the Wallet app. It's that green icon on your home screen. Tap on your Apple Card to select it, then scroll down or look for the Card Information or Settings section. You'll see an option that says something like Card Details or Manage Card. From there, find the Close Account button. It's usually towards the bottom. When you tap it, Apple will prompt you to confirm your decision. Read through the information carefully because closing your account means you can't use the card anymore, and any rewards or cash back might be affected. You'll need to verify your identity, probably with your Apple ID or through a quick security check. After confirmation, the account will be closed, and you might receive an email confirmation from Apple. One important tip: if you have an Apple Card with Goldman Sachs, they might require additional steps, so keep an eye out for any follow-up instructions. Also, remember that once it's closed, reopening isn't an option. You'd have to apply for a new one. This whole process should only take a few minutes, but it's always a good idea to contact Apple support if you run into any issues. They've got great customer service to help you out. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. What's your experience with Apple Card? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.